Good morning, everyone. This is Iosif, Senior Analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 24th of August. No major breakthrough in US-Sino negotiations. There seems to be no major breakthrough in the US-Sino trade negotiations, which ended after a 2-day round. On the contrary, the situation escalated further as a new round of US tariffs for about $16 billion of Chinese products kicked in yesterday. The market's focus is now expected to turn to Fed's chairman, Jerome Powell, who is to deliver his speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium later on today. Analysts see the case for Powell to defend the Fed's current rate hike path, dependent on economic data and not political pressures. In such a case, the US dollar could get some support. Euro-USD moved sideways yesterday with some bearish tendencies testing the 1.1537 support line. We could see the pair move sideways with some bearish tendencies today, as it might prove sensitive to Jerome Powell's speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium later today. Should the pair come under selling interest, we could see it breaking the 1.1537 support line and aim for the 1.1482 support barrier. On the other hand, should the market be interested in buying the pair, we could see it rising and aiming, if not breaking, the 1.1623 resistance line. A hard Brexit could mean more bureaucracy and higher prices. UK Brexit Secretary Dominic Raab released the first set of advice for businesses in the case of a hard Brexit yesterday. The contents paint a grim picture as they contain notes for more red tape for UK businesses and higher prices. They also imply that many of the problems created by a no-deal Brexit may be beyond the UK government's powers to fix. Also, Chancellor of the Exchequers, Philip Hammond, repeated the Treasury's warning that leaving without a deal would have large fiscal consequences. Should there be further negative headlines about Brexit, we could see the pound weakening further. GBP USD dropped yesterday, breaking the 1.2825 support line, now turned to resistance. The pair could trade in a sideways manner today with some bearish tendencies, as it may prove sensitive to Jerome Powell's speech later today. Should the bears dictate the pair's direction, we could see it breaking the 1.2770 support line and aim for the 1.2725 support level. Should the bulls take over, we could see it breaking the 1.2825 resistance line and aim for the 1.2895 resistance hurdle. In today's economic highlights in the European session, we get Germany's GDP growth rate for Q2, while in the American session, we get the durable goods orders growth rates for July and the Baker Hughes oil rig count. Also, it should be noted that Fed Chairman Powell is to deliver his speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium and could move the US dollar. For more information, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download the app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, go on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Iosif from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.